Are you searching for the perfect digital piano to bring your musical dreams to life in 2024? Look no further. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital pianos that deliver outstanding performance, realistic sound, and unparalleled value. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find out more about these amazing digital pianos. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Roland FP-30X. The Roland FP-30X is a compact and portable digital piano that doesn't compromise on quality. With its supernatural piano sound engine and PHA-4 standard keyboard, it offers an authentic playing experience that is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pianists. Plus, its Bluetooth connectivity allows you to integrate seamlessly with music apps. Transform your musical experience with the Roland FP-30X digital piano in a stylish black finish. This all-inclusive bundle has everything you need to start your piano journey or elevate your existing skills. Here's what you can expect. Secure your piano at the perfect height with a sturdy, adjustable stand. Play comfortably for hours on an ergonomically designed bench. Enhance your playing with a high-quality sustain pedal for dynamic expression. Kickstart your learning with an instructional DVD from Austin Bazaar. Access online lessons to continue learning and improving at your own pace. Keep your piano looking pristine with a soft polishing cloth. Key features of the Roland FP-30X. The FP-30X features Roland's supernatural piano sound engine, delivering rich, expressive tones that mimic an acoustic grand piano. Enjoy a realistic playing experience with the PHA-4 standard keyboard, which accurately responds to your touch and dynamics. Perfect for any space, this compact piano fits seamlessly into your home, studio, or stage setup. Integrate with music apps for practice, performance, and learning enhancements through Bluetooth connectivity. Experience full, resonant sound from the powerful built-in speakers, ensuring every note is heard clearly. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, the Roland FP-30X digital piano bundle offers everything you need for a comprehensive and enjoyable playing experience. Dive into the world of music with confidence and style. Coming in at number 4, the Casio PX-870. The Casio PX-870 is known for its stunning sound quality and elegant design. It features the acclaimed Air sound source, which delivers an incredibly realistic grand piano sound. The tri-sensor scaled hammer action 2 keyboard provides an authentic feel, making your practice sessions more enjoyable. Elevate your musical journey with the Casio PX-870 digital piano in a sleek black finish. This comprehensive bundle provides everything you need to start playing right away and enhance your skills. Here's what the bundle includes. Play in comfort with a stylish and sturdy bench designed to complement your piano. Practice privately and enjoy immersive sound with high-quality headphones. Learn at your own pace with a detailed instructional book. Access online lessons to continue your learning journey from the comfort of your home. Kickstart your skills with an easy-to-follow instructional DVD from Austin Bazaar. Keep your piano looking pristine with a soft polishing cloth. Key features of the Casio PX-870. The PX-870 features Casio's Air, acoustic and intelligent resonator, sound engine, delivering rich and detailed piano tones that closely mimic a grand piano. Enjoy a natural playing experience with the tri-sensor scaled hammer action 2 keyboard, which replicates the feel of an acoustic piano. His digital piano's slim and modern design fits seamlessly into any room, adding a touch of elegance to your home. Experience full, resonant sound with the 4-speaker system, ensuring that every note is heard clearly and accurately. Play along with recordings of a live orchestra, bringing your practice sessions to life. Practice without disturbing others with the convenient headphone mode, which optimizes the piano's sound for private listening. Perfect for beginners and experienced players alike, the Casio PX-870 digital piano bundle offers a comprehensive and enjoyable playing experience. Immerse yourself in the world of music with everything you need to learn, practice, and perform. At number 3, we have the Kawai ES920. The Kawai ES920 stands out with its responsive Hammer 3 keyboard action and Harmonic Imaging XL sound engine, offering a premium playing experience. This model is highly portable, making it ideal for musicians on the go. Step up your musical game with the Kawai ES920, an 88-key digital stage piano designed for both stage and home use. This sleek black piano combines advanced technology with high-quality craftsmanship to deliver an exceptional playing experience. Experience the authentic feel of an acoustic piano with Kawai's responsive Hammer 3 RHI action. The graded hammer weighting, triple sensor key detection, and let-off simulation provide a natural and responsive touch. Enjoy rich, full sound without the need for external amplification. The built-in stereo speaker system delivers clear and dynamic audio, perfect for practice and small performances. Connect your devices wirelessly to the ES920 via Bluetooth. Stream audio from your favorite music apps or use MIDI to control your piano with various apps and software, enhancing your practice and performance capabilities. Never worry about drop notes, even when playing complex pieces with heavy sustain. The 256-note polyphony ensures every note is heard, providing a smooth and uninterrupted playing experience. Expand your creativity with dual and split modes. Layer two sounds together or split the keyboard to play different sounds on each half, perfect for versatile playing styles and arrangements. The Kawai ES920 is designed for musicians who demand high performance and versatility. Whether you're performing on stage or practicing at home, this digital piano offers the touch and sound quality of a grand piano in a portable and stylish package. With advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, a powerful speaker system, and expressive keyboard action, the ES920 is a top choice for serious pianists. Coming in at number 2, the Yamaha Arius YDP-145 offers the timeless quality and reliability Yamaha is known for. Equipped with the graded hammer standard keyboard and pure CF sound engine, this digital piano delivers an authentic acoustic piano experience. Enhance your home with the elegant and sophisticated Yamaha YDP-145 Arius series digital console piano. Designed with both aesthetics and performance in mind, this 88-key digital piano in a stunning dark rosewood finish offers an authentic playing experience suitable for beginners and experienced pianists alike. The Yamaha YDP-145 features a graded hammer standard keyboard that mimics the feel of an acoustic grand piano. The keys are heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, providing a natural and expressive touch. Experience the rich and expressive sound of Yamaha's renowned Kawai ES920 concert grand piano, reproduced with high fidelity. The pure CF sound engine ensures that every nuance of your playing is captured, delivering an exceptional auditory experience. Enjoy balanced sound at any volume level with Yamaha's intelligent acoustic control. This feature automatically adjusts the sound for optimal clarity and richness, whether you're practicing quietly or performing at full volume. When using headphones, the stereophonic optimizer creates the sensation of playing in front of an acoustic piano, providing a natural and immersive experience. The YDP-145 comes with 10 demo songs and 50 classic piano songs built in, perfect for practice and inspiration. You can also record your own performances to track your progress or share with others. Measuring 56 by 22 by 16.7 inches, the YDP-145 fits beautifully in any room. The dark rosewood finish and included matching bench add a touch of elegance to your home decor. The Yamaha YDP-145 Arius series digital console piano is perfect for those seeking a high-quality, realistic piano experience without the maintenance of an acoustic instrument. Its combination of authentic touch, rich sound, and practical features make it an excellent choice for both practice and performance. The stylish design and robust construction ensure it will be a cherished addition to your home for years to come. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kawai KDP120. The Kawai KDP120 is a top-tier digital piano that combines exceptional sound quality with a responsive playing experience. Featuring the responsive Hammer Compact 2 keyboard and the harmonic imaging sound engine, it replicates the touch and tone of a grand piano. Experience the ultimate in home piano performance with the Kawai KDP120 digital home piano in a luxurious premium rosewood finish. Designed for pianists of all levels, this elegant instrument combines authentic touch, rich sound, and advanced features to create an exceptional playing experience. The KDP120 features Kawai's responsive hammer compact 2-keyboard action, providing a realistic and expressive touch that accurately replicates the feel of an acoustic grand piano. The weighted keys ensure a natural playing experience, allowing you to develop proper finger strength and technique. The KDP120 utilizes Kawai's harmonic imaging technology to deliver the rich, detailed sound of the acclaimed Kawai EX concert grand piano. This technology captures the nuances of each note, ensuring an authentic and dynamic sound across the entire keyboard. Equipped with a powerful 40W stereo speaker system, the KDP120 delivers a clear and immersive sound experience. The speakers are strategically placed to ensure optimal sound projection, filling your room with beautiful music. With built-in Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, you can easily connect the KDP120 to your smart devices and music apps for an enhanced learning and playing experience. Explore a wide range of educational apps, sheet music, and more, all from your tablet or smartphone. The KDP120 comes with built-in lesson songs from popular Alfred, Burgmüller, Czerny, and Bayer coursebooks, making it a great tool for students. Additionally, the built-in recorder allows you to capture and play back your performances, helping you track your progress and improve your skills. The KDP120's premium rosewood finish and sleek design make it a beautiful addition to any home. The compact yet stylish cabinet includes a sliding key cover to protect the keys when not in use. The Kawai KDP120 digital home piano offers an exceptional balance of performance, features, and value. Its realistic touch, rich sound, and advanced connectivity options make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pianists. The elegant design and high-quality construction ensure it will be a cherished part of your home for years to come. There you have it, our top 5 best digital pianos of 2024. Each of these models offers something unique, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your musical journey. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find out more about these amazing digital pianos. Like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and music gear updates. Thanks for watching.